Well, I'll tell you what, spring's here, and that's the last thing you want to see on your mower before you try and get out and do the first cutting on the grass. But I got a great fix for it. I'm going to show you guys how to take care of that in just a matter of seconds, and you shouldn't have to worry about small leaks ever again. Now, I've used this stuff for years, and it works really good on little tiny pinholes in your tires. If you got an ATV or you got a lawnmower or something with a tubeless tire, this is what's going to fix it right here. I'm going to show you how to use it, and we're going to get out there and mow my grass. To get the most out of your Fix-A-Flat, you want to make sure that it's at room temperature and shake it well. The can comes with an adapter that screws onto your valve stem. After a good shaking, just simply screw it onto the valve stem. Make sure it's nice and snug. Then place the can in an upright position and firmly hold down on the button. The hose is clear, so it's easy to see the Fix-A-Flat going into the tire. If it stops flowing, simply tap the can on the ground. The whole process from start to finish should only take a couple of minutes. When the can gets close to being empty, you may have to repeat the tapping process, but you should be able to get everything out of the can and into the tire. Once your can's empty and you release the button, you may get a little bit of backflow. Don't worry about that. Just go ahead and disconnect the hose and your tire is patched. So there you have it. It's that easy to fix a flat. Unless the hole's too big, then you're going to have to take it to a repair shop. Thanks for watching Ask Dad How. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.